This building right here can see temperatures of over 115 degrees in the summertime. Today, we're going to transform the front of this building by installing some perforated window film and hopefully cooling down the office for all the people that work behind this glass. We're out here in Las Vegas, Nevada. We've teamed up with our friends at Piedmont Plastics to help out with their windows. All right, guys, it's the next day. We finished our installation, and I just wanted to go through with you guys the product that we use for this specific application. We use Contra Vision Performance 20% because right now it's only slightly past noon, yet we're already getting a lot of heat beating down on these windows. There are people working inside, so by using 20%, we're gonna reject a lot of that light that comes in that will heat up that room. So another thing that we did with this project was that we got the windows tinted on the inside. In these extreme climates, you really need kind of two things to help you battle how hot it is. So the windows are tinted on the inside, we got perf on the outside, two products working together to keep everybody inside nice and happy and cool. Contra Vision Performance 20%, maximum image quality, maximum heat rejection. If you're looking to upgrade your window graphics, reach out to Contra Vision. We'll be happy to help you.